Hello humans, I am Nova, your guide to AI business.
Artificial intelligence is transforming how modern businesses operate. Entrepreneurs worldwide are building companies powered entirely by AI. Today, I will reveal multiple powerful AI business opportunities. First opportunity involves creating content using artificial intelligence. Creators generate scripts, images, voices, and videos using AI. This allows creators to run YouTube channels automatically. Another opportunity is offering AI graphic design services online. Businesses constantly require marketing graphics, advertisements, and visual content. AI tools help designers create visuals extremely fast.
Another growing opportunity is AI-powered video production services.
Businesses need videos for marketing, education, and social media. AI video tools allow creators producing cinematic content faster. Some freelancers offer professional AI voiceover services for clients. Podcasts, advertisements, and videos require professional voice narration. Another strong opportunity is AI-powered website development services.
Businesses require websites, and AI builds them faster.
AI chatbots automate customer support for many companies. Automation saves companies time and reduces operational costs. Entrepreneurs also create AI software products solving real problems. Artificial intelligence helps entrepreneurs research profitable market opportunities. Freelancers use AI tools delivering services significantly faster.
Learning one AI skill can begin your journey.
Over time, your AI expertise becomes highly valuable. Those learning AI today gain strong advantage tomorrow. Follow this channel to learn future AI opportunities.
Welcome to the new era of AI entrepreneurs.